Are you missing out on revenue because of demonetized videos you're not aware of? Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Can, and we here at Tubebuddy want to make sure you're getting fairly compensated for your work on YouTube. Oftentimes an older video can get demonetized without you even knowing about it. With Tubebuddy's new Demonetization double check, not only can we find those videos for you, but we can submit them for manual review in bulk.
To use this new tool, simply head over to your My Videos page and click on the Demonetization Check button. Just to note, this feature is only useful if your channel is monetized, and keep in mind that the full tool functionality requires a star or higher license. Click the Start button, and Tubebuddy will scan your channel for any videos that have limited or no ads. You'll notice that we display a count of videos that you've already submitted for manual review, as well as how many videos you have yet to submit for review. Once the scanning is complete, you can select which videos that you want to submit for manual review, and Tubebuddy will automatically process them one at a time.
We hope that Demonetization double check can lead to higher earnings and revenue for those of you who have been affected by demonetization. On that note, what other features related to demonetization would you like to see us add here at Tubebuddy? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification icon to stay up to date on all things Tubebuddy. I'm Andrew Camp from Tubebuddy, and thank you all so much for watching.